today we're going to add a blind to this window. So there's a solution we found at our local box store, Lowe's, that allows you to loosen this trim, hang a hanger, and place this blind on the door. I like it because when you open and close the door, traditional blinds will swing and hit the glass. I don't like that. So a couple things you'll need: Phillips screwdriver and a knife. I think that's all we need. Let's get after it. I know this is a bit unusual, but you know, men don't read instructions. But for this case, I think we'll read the instructions. This frame has little covers over the screws, so we have to bring the knife into play to get the little covers off. So I guess really I need to expose these screws first so I can get my screwdriver at this. Let's do that first. Without damaging this, open that little cover. We'll put these covers back on. A little bit tedious, but there you go. We'll do that about 10 more times and be back at you. Well, there were 16 of those little babies, and that's probably the hardest job of this whole project. So the razor blade will end up looking like this when you're done. So there you go. Plan for that. So in the package comes some hardware. Looks like all the hardware that I get. So let's go put this on. So these little brackets have a left, an L right there, or an R for right. And this little tab actually positions it behind that window frame there. It's pretty slick. So watch this. Behind there, see that? That positions it left to right and also up and down. So let's tighten those down. So it tells us that these little spacers are supposed to be placed about a foot above the bottom in either side. So we'll loosen those 4, 5, 6 screws and insert these. Awesome, huh? Cool. Ooh, now that's neat. Looky there. Okay. Satisfaction 100%?
Yes. Awesome.
Perfect. There you go. I like it. So, if you want something like this for your home, go to Lowe's, Home Depot, or Menards. Pick one up. Put it on. It's easy. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a fun little project. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Townhouse Tailgate channel. Good day.